sensuous babe. All right. Woo. Red shorts.
Display update. What do you mean update? It looks the same. Well, I forgot my Sony transistor radio. Someone was supposed to come pick this up, and he never showed. And this thing paid the price. Only does 600 DPI anyway. I got better ones. So yeah, that got EOL video. I'm digitizing that tape, that video 8 tape. It's a 33-year-old recording now. It's pretty hot in here. It's gonna be another hot Texas Christmas. It's mid-80s yesterday. We did the initial viewing of this weeks ago on the Toshiba here. It's gonna get a well-deserved break so we can use other sets. A few seconds of the intro got cut off because the Roxio software wouldn't see it. It said no signal. See a partial reason why I like CRTs. The black levels are better. It doesn't look like this. Bought a new keyboard for this, by the way. This one's failing. Just like the battery, it's not even connected. Using AC power.
What you get in there, Nani? Nani, show everybody what you got there.
You'd be clipping if the volume was up all the way. That's good enough. Here's the VU meter. Oh. The CRTs I was offered, the lady got back to me. Her iPad quit working. That's how she's contacting me. So those sets, whatever they are, came before this one. The person I got this one from was just quicker. Wonder what the other sets are going to be. One of them's in her garage and the other one's in her brother's garage. I was going to ask if she could have him send me a picture, but I didn't yet. She said after Christmas. Hopefully they're not too big. Look at that, Kenwood. Previously, someone got a GE cordless telephone. Of course, when I quit recording, this isn't film, this is solid state. What is it?
Okay, everybody get ready.
What about Ross Perot?
Jessica?
These black levels are awful.
Everybody say goodbye.
Bye, Roger. Where's Sue?
Right,
I think that might be her. No, she looked kind of skinny.
bye-bye.
I mean, she was average. That might have been
We'll
her.
see you next year, Santa Claus. Into the fire we go.
What's next? Anything?
Well, here we are at South Padre Island.
Oh, another South Padre Island tape. What the hell? We viewed that on here too. That's out on the other channel.
Jessica and her girlfriend, Wendy, are here, right, Jessica?
Yes.
Okay, when are you coming out?
In about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Anyway, there's only 2 people watching this now. What should I talk about now?
Down there
Mazda and PV.
is our Mazda van.
What happened to all those? Like I said in the video of
Let's
that.
go. Oh, man, I got a picture of the hairs out of your ear.
Oh,
Smile, Jessica. Let me look at the hairs on your nose.
Who the hell smiles on a cloudy day?
Wendy.
Just kidding.
Oh, what a sensuous babe. All right. Woo. Red shorts.
Dad. I guess we're not gonna.
Stand still. What's your shirt say?
Let's turn the camera off.
A lot of Fords out there. Carol saw the truck, the other one. Dog.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, it's a great time. Do you have guys at filet or do we just do it?
Guys up north. Wow, that thing's mint. Sure is minty.